Hello everyone, welcome to the A2 Plus English Language School free online course. Today we'll discuss about quantifiers. You are invited to join the class. If you have any question or comment, please leave at the end of the lecture. دابا كنت عايز تنكو عنا ب A2 Plus English نايزيا قنقا بيت تمرتي بدحمت أخم لومي بزعبها حبرتي بزحي زبلا رستخدمتي نامو مسحبركم تروحوا بخبد عد معكم. Quantifiers are special adjectives used before nouns to indicate amount or quantity. So quantifiers we حبرتي بزحي نبلهم فلات كتصل كوينهم بدحري كقرمي noun ماتيوم أو كقرمي اسم ماتيوم نبزحي زحبر لهم مالذيو. Quantifiers are used when the exact number is not known or the actual number is not needed or when the actual number cannot be determined. So, إذا حبرت بزحين تكملهم تلقى قطري دايلي نام زخون تلقى قطري زين فلتو زين خون ويكاني نتلقى قطري كن فلتو زين كل مزن زخون نتكملهم حبرتي بزحيهم مالهم. سلازم نعملت كندي عرفت له فيسبوك بزحت عشحت ويكاني وحدات كتبت خلاها لذي أزي تلقى قطري فلتو تخون كا ويتلقى قطري زين اللي تخوينه يخا تكملهم مالهم. سلازي أبي لجا زيهم قالت هاي مسلوهن رينا مالهم. So, there are different quantifiers that are used with countable noun, with uncountable noun, or both. So, last time we have seen what are countable nouns, what are uncountable nouns. So, there are different quantifiers which are used with this type of noun. So, the first one is quantifier used with countable noun. لازم بقى إذا محبت بزحي مزيكوت صارون مزيكوت صارون ويمسكوت يوم نتكمل لهم اللهم على ده حلف فمان أنت عينتهم مزيكوت صارون نجارات أنت عين مزيكوت صارون نجارات رينا نرمان تريري خم خاني تملككم countable and uncountable noun ويك أني types of nouns دبل رأيو مالتي. So quantifier are used with the quantifier which are used with countable nouns are number one many بزحت a few very few وحدات one each every حدا وي نفس وقف several حيالو both كلتيوم either means حديو neither means ولا حدا a large number of a great number of majority of مبزحتهم وربزحن a couple of قلت امدي hundreds of thousands of أشحت أما إيت نانسو عمل لذي يوم بزحت وحدات نفس وقف حيال دبال يوم كلهم ويكاني many few each every several يوم زعم سلو مزقوا تصورت راهن تكمل لهم مالتي they are used with countable noun. Let's example she has a few relatives here الساعة وحدات أزمان الله أبزي أزمان يقول تريهم each one of them is attending نفس وقفهم كما تيوبزي لذي نايتهم سبات نزار سبات يقول تريهم majority of the people like it بز مساحتهم سبات دوام مفتوهم a large number of people gathered to celebrate Independence Day بزح قطر زلهم سبات تأكيبهم نتيجة بل نتنات أبعلهم مالتهم I will be back in a couple of minutes قلت فيهم الله سوي بحلت دقائق من الله There were hundreds of people at the meeting. أما السبات أتأخيبا نيرهم. So these are the quantifiers which are used with countable nouns. The quantifier used with uncountable nouns are مز زي كتسارو نتكمل لهم حبرتي بزحي much بزح زي how much money you have how much time you got how much يوم كلهم زي كتسارو how much water is left لذي much كندي زأكل بزحي حتى اللي ما نتي زي كتسارو a little or very little واحد جم في اليوم قصدي ده سألنا نريبنا وياه كلا يكفان رينا ما a bit or a little bit of a great deal of a large amount of or a large quantity of ስለዚህ ኣብዚ ቁጽሩ ላስተንተለርና number of አንጥቀምና ኣብዚ ቁጽሩ a large number of ንብል ኣብዚ ቁጽሩ ግን a large amount of or a large quantity of ንብል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እንጥቅልኩም ተላልዩት ካለኩም ማለት ነው examples How much does it cost? How much does it cost? ስለዚህ ክንደይ ዩዚ ዋጋው ክንደይ ስለዚህ ዋጋ ክንኩልና ገንዘብ ናሕትና ገንዘብ ካን አይቆጽርኒ ስለዚህ since money is uncountable we say how much money do you have how much does it cost okay second one is there little water in the pool after محبسي باسكا ቁሩም ما ያለው okay ወይድ ما ያለው ስለዚህ there is a little ምስ ዘይቆጽሩ water ማለት it hurts a little bit pain is abstract noun is uncountable so it hurts a little bit A great deal of oil was spilled in the sea. زي معليا زي بلو زيتي ورندادي after بحري تدفيو. A large amount of water was lost due to the accident. عم بزح ماي بسنك تحدقة تأفيو وي بخينو لذي اليوم large amount of a great deal of a little bit or much أمثلوا مس زي كتير نتكلم مالنا قال حبرت خام بزحلونا مس كلتيهم زي كتير نتكلم مالنا so quantifiers which are used with both countable and uncountable are all كله all of them كلن enough أخل more most بزحة less least وحدة no none ولا حدا some any some is قليل any قلة a lot of lots of lot plenty of لازم كأني مس كلتيهم زي نتكلم لهم مالتي example all of them were at the party كلهم أبتي party نيرو all of the water is lost due to accident كل تماي بسنت حدقة تفيس لازم all of the water all of them زيهم all of them is a people let's people كتيرهم water is uncountable لازم نتكلم لهم مالتي I have got enough time or you have got enough time to finish the job أخلق زي اللي كان سرعة صدق she has got enough friends to help her أخلات عرت اللي واحد حق زوا لذي enough friends enough time we use it with both countable and uncountable. The following quantifier will be reviewed separately. Why? Because these quantifiers are a little bit confusing and they have their own regulations. So it's better to know them separately. زم كتيرهم نريهم quantifiers قرب ناتهم حقن سرعة سلالهم فلينا هنريهم مالتي. These are some, any, much, many, a lot of, a lot, a few, very few, a little, very little. If no, we also no, none, we will try to cover it. So the first one is some and any. Some and any are used with both countable and uncountable nouns, but both are used with different form of sentence. See, they are similar, but they are different. Let's assume some. كلن no قليان ويقلا زبل مالت لذي كم يعني تكملهم نرى مالتهم some is used with a positive sentence some دبلك قال مس أوانتاوي دخونا كفلا حساباتنا or sentence تكملهم مالتهم that is if the answer is yes or is expected to be yes لذي تملسي هو تخوين تراينا some نتكمل مالتي أب sentence number أب حتى خوين تكمل مالت لذي I have some friends. Do you have any friend? Yes, I have some friend. هو قال لي عرفتي alone. Okay? Yes, I have some friends. Friends countable. She has got some relatives here. سا قال له أزمات اللو أبزي. There is somewhere in the tanker. قال له واحد أو قال له ماي اللو أتبع tanker. Some have you have some cash, right? So if your answer is yes, then you use some in question as well. Any is used with a negative sentence and question sentence and also after words without, never, seldom, rarely, hardly. So these words are special words which means negative. So we use any with this one. So some is used with a positive sentence which means if the answer is yes or expected to be yes, and any is used with a negative sentence and question. Okay, if the answer is no, and if it's a question, okay? And we use it with words without, never, seldom, rarely, and hardly, okay? So let's see example. Have you got any money? See, any money. Okay, have you got any money? Do you have any brother or sister? Do you have any? This is a question, okay? Did you catch any fish? So did you catch any fish? Have you seen any good movies recently? Have you seen any good movies recently? These are questions. Let's see negative sentence. He hasn't got any cheese. She doesn't have any friends in America. So no, if there is no, we use any. Let's see some is positive any is negative way. Let's see pause here with a conversation. Are there any tomatoes in the fridge? Yes, there are some tomatoes in the fridge. No, there aren't any tomatoes in the fridge. See? So if the answer is yes, we use some tomatoes. If the answer is no, we use there aren't any tomatoes. Right? But we also have exceptions. We use some in question when we want to offer something or when we want to request something. Offer mean تدلدها تدلي كادون كلنا request كاني كم زي قبرك عليه كم زي مسخ عليه كلنا مالتي. Let's say example. Would you like some coffee? جيت للدها قلبون للدها. Okay, would you like some coffee? حطه right. The answer is yes, I would like some coffee. No, I wouldn't like any coffee. Alright. So this is the answer again. Yes تخوينا some تكم no تخوينا any تكم مالتي. Would you like to buy some vegetables? قال أحملتي من الأخر تجز. لذي would you like to buy some vegetables? زي من الأخرو. ني offer عن قبل زلام مالتي. من الأخرو من الأخرون لالنا. لذي would like to buy some vegetables. Yes, I would like to buy some vegetables. No, I wouldn't like to buy any vegetables. The second one is request. Can I have some more, please? قال ما يمسح عليه Could you give me some food, please? قال له بلع ما هبكندو. لذي or ما هبكندو. لذي زي خاني request. أمس عليه قبل نقول مالتي. Note, the same rule are true for something, anything, someone, anyone, somewhere, and anywhere. Let's see the conversation. Policeman, is there anyone at home? The criminal says, yes, there is someone here. No, there isn't anyone here or there. The policeman, is there anything in your pocket? Yes, there is something in my pocket. I have a gun. No, there isn't anything in my pocket. The policeman, did you go anywhere recently? Yes, I went somewhere. No, I didn't go anywhere. So the same rule, okay? Anyone, anything, anywhere. In a question or حتى we can have negative sentence تكمل مالتي. Someone, somewhere, something أني ab positive answer, yes double answer نتكمل لهم مالتي. Okay? مجمع كرت ما هسألو everything or nothing دبالو ألونا مالتي. So everybody means all of the people, everything, all of the thing, everywhere, all the place. Okay? لذي every مالت كله مالتي. This is used with a positive sentence, negative sentence, and question. So is every double قال اللوا مش كلهم تقبلوا من خلال مالتي. Some تهينو ab positive sentence any تهينو ab negative sentence and question, but every تهينو positive sentence, negative sentence, and question تقبلوا من خلال مالتي. That's the example. I think that she has been everywhere in Europe. This is a positive sentence, okay? He doesn't know anything. This is a negative sentence. Do you know everybody here? And this is a question. So every double قال مثل سين تكمل نخنا مالتي. But in the contrary, no double قال جن miss what positive sentence لا تكمل له مالتي. So no, nobody means not anybody, nothing, not anything, nowhere, not anywhere. So this no هنا double negative هنا positive تكمل له مالتي. Okay. So I don't know anyone who is coming. لذي I don't know anyone. See any مش نيجي sentence كمان له. I don't know. I know nobody who is coming. لذي positive sentence. Not a lot income. Not لبلاغن nobody نتكمل. Okay. There isn't anything here. There is nothing here. Okay. So there isn't anything here is a negative sentence. There is nothing here is a positive sentence. She doesn't want to go anywhere. She wants to go nowhere. So we use no, nobody, nothing, nowhere with a positive sentence. Okay, but it means negative, but we use it with a positive sentence. All right. So here are some questions. There are some exercises that you need to answer. We use some and any. We have got dash bread. Dash students will tell you that they don't have enough money. We have got dash furniture, but we need a table. She bought dash clothes. So it doesn't matter whether it's countable or uncountable. All you have to find out is it a question, is it a negative sentence, is it a request, or is it an offer? So pause the video and answer the following 15 questions. Here are the answers for the questions. I hope you answered most of them or all of them. If not, try to revise the lecture again. So these are part one of quantifier. We will try to see the part two of quantifier. We will come up with a lot of few, and no, none. Okay. I will see you in the next. If you have any question, you are welcome.